You still think your job is stable? What if everything our parents told us about security is completely wrong? They told us, go to school, get a degree, get a job, buy a house. And for years, that was the formula for peace of mind. And that worked for our parents back in the day. Back then, loyalty was rewarded. Work for a company, one company for 30 plus years, get a pension, golden watch. Back then, stability meant everything. But the world has completely changed. The rules didn't. My dad showed up every day, rain, sick, whatever. His formula, show up and get paid. Don't rock the boat. But today, you can give a company 5, 10, 20, 30 plus years, and within 5 minutes, you can get replaced just like that. No loyalty, no safety net. What if you went to school, stacked up debt from a degree that nobody checks anymore? A paycheck that disappears faster than your rent rises up. That's not stability. That's survival with Wi-Fi. You see these old companies that created the old traditional ways, like Google, Tesla, Apple. None of these big companies require a degree anymore. 80% of Fortune 500 companies don't even require a degree anymore. Because in today's economy, having an actual skill set matters way more than a piece of paper. You see, proof of ability matters way more than proof of attendance. You're not trading time for money. You're trading potential for predictability. You're trading growth for comfort. You're trading freedom for permission. You see, consistency without control isn't stability. It's sedation. I remember staring at my bank app after a supposedly stable paycheck. Same number, same exact exhaustion. I wasn't failing, but I wasn't living either. That's when it hit me. Stability had become the enemy. Our parents' stability came from institutions. Ours came from initiative. The boomers back in the day chased titles while we chased time. They've built resumes, we've built revenue streams. The new stability isn't avoiding risk. It's owning the outcome of your life. A 9 to 5 used to mean safety. Now it's the riskiest bet in the room. One algorithm or one merger, all of a sudden you're gone. It's like living in a house that you don't own. Dry until the landlord changes the lock. The world today in this economy rewards leverage, not loyalty. The people who build systems, content, or code, they plant trees while everyone else out there is mowing lawns. Real stability isn't in a paycheck. It's in you. It's in your ability to sell, to adapt, to create value out of the thin air. It's knowing that you can rebuild if everything else burns down. Your skills and your mindset travels with you. That is the baseline now. Competence, your knowledge, your creativity, your leverage. Our parents' safety net was a pension back in the day. Ours today is personal capability. Their stability came from a company. Ours comes from confidence. If your whole life depends on one person signing your paycheck, that's not stability. That's permission. And permission can vanish overnight. So stop chasing stability. Start building real skills. Start building ownership. Start building leverage. Because the old world gave you jobs. The new world gives you tools and so much information out there. The question is, what will you build? The new stability isn't safety, it's skill. It's betting on yourself so hard that no economy can cancel you. Now that's what I call digital rent. Income that works even when you don't. They sold us the dream of safety, but now we're building the reality of self-reliance. Don't chase stability, become it. If this video inspired you, maybe you want to start an online business, travel the world, or just make a solid online income, not having to rely on someone else for your income. Check out the free 9 to SaaS course where I show you an exact step-by-step course on how to start an online business model that helps you create leverage. And if you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in future videos.